In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 error that says out of memory. This is a very common problem when working with large assemblies, complex meshes, or detailed sketches inside Autodesk Fusion. When this error appears, it usually means Fusion 360 does not have enough available RAM to complete the operation you are trying to perform. The good news is that there are several simple fixes that can solve this problem quickly. I'll walk you through the most effective methods step by step so you can get back to designing without crashes or slowdowns. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is close other programs running on your computer. Fusion 360 can be very demanding when it comes to memory, especially when you're working on complex models. If you have applications like browsers, video editors, or other design software running in the background, they may be using a large portion of your system RAM. Close any programs you don't need right now and then return to Fusion 360. Freeing up that memory can often immediately resolve the out of memory error. The next quick fix is simply restarting Fusion 360. Over time, software can accumulate temporary memory usage from previous operations, edits, or simulations. Restarting the program clears this temporary memory and gives Fusion a fresh start. So go ahead and save your project, completely close Fusion 360, and then reopen it before continuing your work. Another very effective solution is simplifying your model. If your design contains extremely complex sketches, detailed patterns, or large assemblies with many components, Fusion 360 may struggle to process everything at once. Try reducing sketch complexity, removing unnecessary features, or breaking large assemblies into smaller sections. Simplifying the design often dramatically reduces memory usage. If you are working with STL files or mesh models, another important step is reducing mesh complexity. Many imported meshes contain extremely high polygon counts, which require a lot of RAM to convert or edit. Before converting a mesh to a solid body, try reducing the polygon count using the mesh tools inside Fusion or a separate mesh editing tool. Lower polygon density means less memory usage and smoother performance. You can also hide or suppress components that you don't currently need. When every component in an assembly is visible, Fusion has to load and calculate all of them. By hiding or suppressing unused parts while you work, you reduce the amount of geometry Fusion needs to process, which helps prevent memory errors. Another helpful technique is splitting large operations into smaller steps. For example, instead of performing a very large combine, pattern, or feature operation all at once, try breaking it into multiple smaller actions. This spreads the memory load across several operations instead of one heavy calculation. And here's a quick tip. The out-of-memory error usually happens when working with very large assemblies, complex mesh files, or simulations that require more RAM than your system currently has available. If you encounter this frequently, you may want to simplify your workflow or consider upgrading your system memory in the future. Hopefully one of these fixes solved the problem for you. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tutorials and quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.